In today's connected world, distance should never be a barrier to reliable data communication. Introducing Samyak Instrumentation's LoRa Wireless Interface Device, a powerful solution for long-range, low-power, and interruption-free wireless data transmission. Forget the limitations of cables and weak signals. With our LoRa interface, you can achieve seamless wireless communication across industries and terrains. Engineered to integrate with RS485 serial devices, it enables reliable bi-directional data exchange with easy configuration of baud rate, parity, stop bits, and device IDs. Designed for simplicity and durability, it runs on standard 230 volts AC and comes in a sturdy enclosure, making it fit for industrial and commercial setups. And here's the real power. We've tested this device at an aerial distance of 1.1 kilometers between transmitter and receiver with zero interruptions. One transmitter, multiple receivers. Whether it's digital input data or RS485 signals, communication stays robust and uninterrupted. From industrial automation to smart agriculture, from building management systems to utility monitoring, Samyak's LoRa Interface Device is built for long-range, reliable communication. And here's LoRa device in action. At one of our client sites, a weight indicator transmits data wirelessly using our LoRa interface. 3 remote displays receive the weight readings instantly. No cables, no hassle. Installation was smooth, quick, and completely plug and play. This is the simplicity and reliability that Samyak delivers. Samyak Instrumentation, bridging distances with innovation. Discover the future of wireless communication with our LoRa Interface Device.